Hello friends, in this lecture you will get to know about Tic Tac Toe problem in intelligent system. This is present state and the goal state is X has to win or O has to win. Now this is heuristic function I have taken as variable E. Here possibility is X winning probability minus O winning possibility. When E is equal to 0, it means it's draw. When E is equal to 1, it means win. So now it is x turns. So x can be placed three times. Over here 1, over here second, and over here 3. So you have to generate 1, 2, and 3. So first I will keep x over here. Second I will keep over here. And in third I will keep over here. So these are the three possibilities: first, second, and third. Now you have to calculate E value. So E is equal to X possibility to win minus O possibility to win. So first, what is the possibility of X to win? So this one is, if you keep X over in next term, it will be 1, and another will be when you keep X over here twice. So it will be E equal to, for X possibility will be 2, and for O it will be 0. So it will be 2 minus 0, which will be equal to 2. In this one, X possibility will be equal to 1 and 2, and here O possibility will be 1. So this will be equal to 1. Now here E will be equal to 1 and 2, and for O it will be 0. So for 2 minus 1, 2. Now you have to again go ahead and keep, now it is O's turn. So you can keep over here O two possibilities. So you have to do 1 and 2. X, X, O, X. So first here and second over here. Now you have to calculate E here. Here E value will be equal to X possibility minus O possibility. So here E will be equal to 0. As you can see, none of them will win over here. If you keep X over here in next turn, it will be draw. So here E is equal to 0 in this one. Over here, X winning possibility is equal to 1 and O winning will be 0. So here E will be equal to 1. Now this one, in this there will be again 2. You can keep O here also and O here also. So this one will be equal to, first I have kept over here, in second one over here. Now calculate E for this one. Here winning possibility of X is equal to 1 and O possibility is also 1. So here E will be equal to 0. In this one, X possibility is equal to 1 winning, and for O is also 1. So here E is again 0. Now this one, there will be two possibilities. So 1 and 2. So this will be O, X, X. So first I will be keeping over here is O's turn, and second one sorry, over here. So calculate E for this one. Winning possibility of X is equal to 1, and for 0 O is 0, so it will be 1 minus 0 will be 1. Over here winning possibility of X is 0, and for O is also 0, so it will be 0. So this one will be draw, and this one will be also draw. Now explore this one again. So you can keep, now it is X terms. So in this X, if you keep X over here, you will win. So here E will be equal to E for 1, win. And over here, if you keep X over here, it will be equal to so here X will win again, so here E is equal to 1, again win. Now you have to keep X over here, so this will also win. In this one, if you keep X over here, it will win. This one is draw. So now you have to find the best X possibility, so you can win. There should be no draw, you have to win only. So which one is a possibility? If you keep X in 3, you can win. So this if you backtrack again, so you can check here, there are 2 bifurcation are there, so here you can win both the side. So this one is a correct step to win for X here. So this one is a correct step. So this one is basic problem in intelligence system, and you have to solve all the tic-tac-toe problem using this method.